Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Cast5 and today we are going to be unboxing something from Temu. It is going to be epic. So before I tell you what we are unboxing, be sure to smash a like and subscribe. Anyway, so I ordered this thing off of Temu and I tried to click on the product again to tell you guys what it's called, but all it can show me is 4TB ultra fast portable external HDD high capacity ... And if you are tech savvy like myself, I believe I am, you will know that we are unboxing a 4TB hard drive. Alright, let's get the big guns out. Bam! If you ever have seen some cheap storage options on Temu and you didn't know if it was worth it, you have came to the right place. Let's check this bad boy out. So it looks like the box already was a little fricked up, I guess. Multi-device, high quality, fast reading. Nowhere on the box does it say how much storage is in here. Here, made in China. Pretty epic. It seems about right. Okay, so we're just gonna open this bad boy up. That's it? Oh damn, what's this fancy cord? Y'all never seen a cord like that before? Y'all ever seen that? I for sure have not. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, it looks like this is the cord it comes with, and then it looks like this is the actual hard drive. It feels pretty light. Like I have a 1 terabyte external hard drive that I got from Amazon, right? It is lighter, or not as light as this. It says Rush BGM. Oh, I don't know what that means. Oh, whoa. There's a little arrow indicate that I can slide this up. Should I do it? Oh, I heard a crack. Okay, you know what? Fuck that. We are gonna just plug this bad boy in. Okay, we're gonna start off with this side. How the heck does this work? Bam, this is the most weirdest plug I've ever seen. Okay, cool. Now, I'm gonna plug this into my computer. I am going to turn my camera around to my desk so we can check this out together. Alright, no lie. Hold up, Cast5 from the future here. I would just like to inform y'all that the hard drive that you are watching this video about is messed up. See, when I went to go delete something off of it, it did not delete. It actually overamped my power source every time I tried to delete it, and it would disconnect all my hard drives. And so I would say that anything that you see in this video, take with a grain of salt, because I am buying a new one off of Amazon, so hell yeah, enjoy. I don't know if you can see, right, but this popped up when I plugged it in. Okay, oh, YouTube farm going on anyways. Alright, so let's see what this is called. It is actually 3.63 terabytes. Hell yeah. Let's just let's just start off by transferring some stuff into it. So I've been recording some extra videos, right? We got Black Ops Zombies, right? We got the body cam video game. We got Ready or Not. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on these videos. So we're gonna try to transfer these 3 videos to my hard drive that I just got from Temu. Oh, damn. You know what? It's going pretty damn quick. Maybe it was a line, fast speed. Maybe that's maybe they're onto something here. Oh my gosh. Wow, impressive. So, in theory, I should just be able to click on it. Hell yeah. Okay, dope. Hell yeah. Well, I mean, that seems like a success in my book. Let's try downloading something on Steam. We'll just pick a game that I don't have installed. Titanfall 2. Ah, that's 63 gigabytes. Let's choose a smaller one. Mirror's Edge Catalyst, 23 gigabytes. We're gonna click install, and we are going to go to settings and click add drive. There we go. Yep, this is the one with the 3.6. Add. Wait. Install. Here we go. Bam. Local drive. Install. So let's see. Reserving space is at 1%. This shit's gonna take for fucking ever. I got pretty good Wi-Fi, so it just depends on how fast the hard drive reserves the space. Right now it says 1%. I did not buy this for video games, but this is a test. God damn it. It's looking like it's gonna take a minute. Okay, well, anyways, moral of the story is that the video game is getting reserved on there. I guess I'll wait. Alright, I'll check my phone. I'll end this recording. Okay, and I'll check my phone for a couple minutes and see what it's at, see if it's worth waiting for it to install all the way. Alright, so the video game has just gotten done downloading. Let's see if there's any lag while I play. Alright. Resume game. Okay, we are fucking in, boys. I mean, obviously this is an easy game to run, so my computer isn't lagging. But the most important thing is that I'm not seeing any kind of, you know, like errors that come from a slow storage problem, like jagged frames, weird lines that go across the screen when the frames are loading. Like, I'm not seeing any of that. Looks great. Kobe. Alrighty everybody, so turns out today we have discovered that this hard drive so far, with a little bit of stuff on it, still functions pretty great. The game did take a little bit long to clear up or verify the space before it went ahead and installed, but then it installed pretty fast. Alright, pretty dope. And the price of this thing was around $30 for almost 4 terabytes. Yes, it's 30 gigabytes short. Alright, but do you know how much money 1 terabyte is from Walmart? Like $100 fucking dollars. So this is a real good steal. I would say that this shit, it was worth it. Alright. This is not a sponsored video either, at all. Okay, so I could be talking shit, but I don't have anything to say except for the plugin was very unique, and if I have problems with that cord, I don't know what it's called, and I might have issues finding it next time. But that's nothing a Google image search won't solve. So yeah, anyways, if you all found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and comment down below. I recently just started streaming on Kick because they will pay me sooner than Twitch, so shout out to them. Yeah, be sure to check that out, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Deuces. Feeling how I be, 'cause I smoke some green.